In this short little video, I'm going to go over opening up the linked application that you just set up and connecting your device to your account. Okay, so I open up the application. You'll see that I've already entered my username and password into the application, so I'm open. And I'm on there's 3 dialog windows at the bottom. My portal, I have 1 user, I don't have any devices yet. And this is the account information. I can view the account that I set up. So I'm now on the app. So I'm going to go to devices. Right now I have a add new device button that pops up. So I'm going to hit that and simultaneously hit the button on the linked device. And you'll see a window that comes up and says pair, and I'm going to hit pair. That's necessary the first time you make a connection on a new device. And you'll see that it pops up. I hit scan again, the Alertlock 1 popped up. It's now asking me for a hardware PIN code. The standard PIN code on any new device is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to hit continue. It's asking me to enter a new PIN code. And it's highly recommended. If you don't enter a new PIN code, this device could be hijacked by someone else using the default PIN code. So it's prompting me to enter the old PIN code and a new PIN code. I'm going to enter for this device 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to give it a new PIN code 8765431. 8765431. Repeat that PIN code. And you'll want to use your own PIN code. And I'm going to hit change. You'll see now I'm connected to this device. I have some screens. I can now unlock the device. So you'll see I just unlocked it. I can unlock it multiple times. Or I can disconnect. I'm seeing that this lock has 54% charge. I'm going to and that's really all I'm going to cover in this short video. This is opening up your account, using the name and password that you set up when you set up the linked account, and then using the device password, which is default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for any new device you've received. In the next lesson, I'll let Ethan talk to you about setting up and connecting this to Wi-Fi and turning on mobile alerts.